Hey everybody, I hope you're doing amazing. This is Boho Dandelion, and we're gonna be doing types of aesthetics. Art ho, vintage, e-girl, soft girl, grunge, and academia.
It feels like you don't care. Why don't you recognize?
To make this look, you have got to have can-can backpacks, art socks, rainbow tops, and round glasses. I figured this look is in a way represented in Lara Jean's outfits and Matilda's. This is cute. E-girl style has got to have long sleeves under t-shirt, colored hair, and dark jeans with belts. I believe these two movies are the closest to this aesthetic, especially the colored hair thing. Okay, gotta say, I'm in love with this girl's makeup.
It's been so much time since I felt safe with where I was, felt secure with who I was, did not worry about the thinkers. Now I'm with you, you live my heart, my soul, my spirit. You pick me up just when I need it. You my strawberry daiquiri, butterflies going inside my body. You my Barbie dream house, dream house. You my Barbie dream house, dream house.
Falls in love. You've been on my mind, girl, since the flood.
As for softy soft girl, hair clips and cute scrunchies are essentials, as well as skirts and cute crop tops. Gosh, I love these two movies, Mean Girls and Legally Blonde. Soft look is defo inspired by them.
I need to not pick up my phone. I'll go straight to airplane mode. Find something to do. I know I can be a little bit cold, but my third eye is going blind. I'm on a line with my body and mind. It's playing tricks. I say I'm fine, but really it's hurting me deep inside. Cause I've been dreaming about you.
Be my paper. Oh, if I had the Monday, wouldn't make you love me.
Vintage look lies in wearing casual, as well as old glasses, jeans, and oversized jackets. I never get sick of this movie. I mean, just look at Cher's outfits. Iconic.
Say please. And I know they really wish we would fall till we fall on the big bad.
For the grunge look, you need fishnet, ripped jeans, Ben's t-shirts, and Vans. This look has been worn in the Craft movie and in Kat's looks from 10 Things I Hate About You. I mean, just look at her room.
Violet, blue, green, red. To keep me out, I win. There's things I wanna say to you.
Just so you know, there is light and dark academia. you need blazers, pleated skirts, and turtlenecks. Oh, Captain, my Captain. The whole aesthetic is inspired from Dead Poets Society.